Borrowing is one of the most common sources of new words in English. The words formed by borrowing of words from other languages are called loanwords. They are taking over of words from other languages. Example, opera, spaghetti are from Italy. Hamburger, iceberg are from German. Also, borrowing have a lot of Latin words. For example, barbecue is from Spanish. In English, borrowing, also known as lexical borrowing, is the process by which a word from a language is adapted for use in another. They may be words from objects, social, political, and cultural institutions and events, or abstract concepts which are not found in the culture of the other language. We can take some examples from the English language throughout the age. Has borrowed words for types of houses, castle, nation, tipi, eagle, bungalow. It has borrowed words from cultural institutions, opera, ballet. It has borrowed words from political concepts.